What is going on, guys? My name is Zadeh and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to speak to you guys about my personal struggle with inconsistency. Now, a lot of people talk about inconsistency and being consistent with your goals, being consistent with your targets, taking action every single day and whatnot. I believe this kind of like hustle vibe or whatnot is way too overused. It's way too overrated, and people don't really understand what it means to be consistent and why people are actually inconsistent. What made me be inconsistent in some parts of my life and what made me be consistent in others, you know? And so I'm gonna start by saying that I'm always consistent with things that I love doing, with things that bring me joy, fulfillment, bring me positive energy, like making YouTube videos definitely bring me joy and positivity and whatnot, but I've always been inconsistent. And I don't want to say always, because it's something that happened in the past, so it cannot really be always, but being consistent on YouTube, it's something that I had in the past. And so the thing is, first of all, you shouldn't really identify yourself with being inconsistent. Second of all, you should really see, okay, if you truly think that you're inconsistent, really see what's the actual reason for that. I know some people just procrastinate, just give up, and then they just don't start again, and then they just say they're inconsistent, and that becomes a habit. And I know for myself, I've had that before as well, and I can totally agree to that. That's basically the reason why I've always, or most of the time in the past, I've just quit doing YouTube. I've just quit doing YouTube videos. And the reason for that is because I quit too early. I used to quit too early. I used to not see the results, and then just see a couple of views here and there, 20, 30 views, 100 views. Sometimes I even had a lot of views when I was doing fitness videos, but I just quit because I wanted to do cooler shit. I wanted to go partying. I wanted to take some time off. And when you treat something truly seriously, when you treat it with a schedule, when you treat it religiously, and when you have a strong why for it, then there is absolutely no reason for you to quit. You should not quit that job or whatever you're doing. You should not quit that. You have a goal for it, you should go for it every single day. Now, I can ramble about it all day long, I can talk about it all day long. At the end of the day, it's something that you should simply do. Like, just do it. It's cliche, just fucking do it. But it's literally just that. Make it a habit. And I've spoke this a lot in the past, and then habits are literally built once at a time. It's not easy to pick up a new habit that easily. It's not just snap your fingers and it becomes a habit. No, you actually have to make love to that habit. You have to show you have to show it your appreciation, your time, your consistency, and you should just focus on one thing at a time, and that's how you become consistent with something. And I didn't realize this too long ago. I'm only 19, even though I feel really old right now. It shouldn't be really the case. I'm 19, but I have to start being consistent, which I am. Thankfully this year it's been just amazing with everything is just picking up momentum. It's just great, seeing my goals just taking off, and it's an amazing feeling. It's an amazing feeling seeing that you put in the work, you reap the results, and that's it. That's what it's all really about. And I guess that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please know that not everyone's perfect, and being consistent with a thing doesn't make you perfect, and then being inconsistent with one thing doesn't make you horrible, which I personally thought back then. Maybe 3-4 months ago, I used to blame myself. I used to just talk to myself in such a bad way, and that's the worst thing that it can do. Self-sabotage doesn't bring you anything. So just understand that everything takes time, and you should put your focus on one thing for a long time for it to actually pick up and for it to actually be a good result at the end of the day. So I guess that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please hit the like button below. Comment down what you thought about it. If you have any questions, just let me know. You can actually drop a DM in my Instagram. Just ask me whatever you need, and I'll just respond back. So if you need to, just tell me about your problems with your inconsistency, and I'll try to do my best and help you out. So I guess that's it for today's video, guys. Kill it with your social media marketing agency. I surely am. I'm just fucking talking to leads every single day, doing my best to get to the point that I want to be at. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace out.